Hi everyone, I'm Anita and welcome back to my channel. So, today is another unboxing video and I'm so excited about this one because I ordered some stuff from a random website because, you know what, I was just like browsing online. I wanted to do online shopping. Do you feel me? Like sometimes you're just like, okay, let me go online and let me buy some stuff. So I did that thing and I was going to the like same websites where I always go, like xoxo, and I was like, okay, but why don't I buy anything from a new website? Should I just like Google something new or find somehow something new? I don't even remember what I Googled, but something like affordable clothes, I guess. And this website popped up that is called Fairyseason.com. So I was like, okay, there were some good prices, let me tell you that, some like really great deals. But why it kind of intrigued me is that they used some pictures that weren't really theirs, and there was one pair of bikinis. The picture was of mesh case bikinis. So I was like, what is the deal here? They're using the picture and they're selling this bikini. So I ordered this bikini as well, but I ordered a bunch of different stuff, and we're gonna unbox and try everything on, see what they are they worth it? Keep in mind the prices are very cheap, so I also don't expect like the best quality, but just for the price, let's see what we get. And I will put all the links to each of this item in the description, so if you want you can check out. And also all the prices I'm just gonna put somewhere in the screen. So I'm really excited. Let's open the, I don't know, let's just take this package. The typical Chinese killing myself while doing this video. I don't want to look too much. I wanna give it like 100% real and the real emotion. So what is this? Something is out of the baggage already. Okay. What? This is what I was thinking. Like I didn't order anything in this kind of pattern because I don't like it. But it is just wrap around here. What? Never seen that before. Here we have this kind of dress. Okay, if you want me to be completely honest, then this one looks like trash. If it was more than $5, I'm not liking it. Okay, so I changed the camera position here so we can try on the clothes. Okay, I'm really nervous for the first one because I'm gonna insert the pictures what they look like online here as well, so you can see and compare. Oh my god, guys. Look at this dress. Only plus about this dress is that the zipper works, but this is the only thing that's working about this dress. I think you can already see what is so wrong with this dress. It's literally see-through, like it's a bit too wide for me as well, but I ordered the smallest sizes in everything. Okay, something yellow. The packages took like 3 weeks to arrive here. To Estonia it always takes about 3 weeks. It's normal, we live in the middle of nowhere. Okay, but I just want to make a rant video about Estonian customs and the workers there. It's ridiculous. It's literally ridiculous. This time they asked me for, I don't know, 4 different kind of documents, and each time I sent them what they want. And they asked for again. If you think I should make a rant video about all my bad experiences with Estonian customs, please, in the info button, vote for it. Oh, I remember, it's a tube set. Okay, and this quality, this is the thing I don't understand. You know, some items are such a great quality, I'm like, what the hell, how can it be like a kameez or safo? But some items are literally like this. Oh my god, I'm not sure if I'm gonna rip this because the zipper is not long enough. Oh, okay, righty. Why? Again, you can see my underwear through this. Oh my god, I was so optimistic about this. Ignore the fact that they are a bit see-through, but they literally fit me so well. This stuff is staying on really well. I don't feel uncomfortable at all. I'm happy with this set. You know, I'm just gonna wear these with the panties that are like nude. It smells a bit chemically, so make sure you wash all your stuff before you actually wear them out. Next up, shoes. Shoes are all the time like a bit controversial. I've got some really good shoes from kameez, for example. but you never know. Anyway, they look like that. That's weird that they didn't put the shoes in a box or something. They're just there. Let's try them on. See, oh, the size fits me. Okay, here we have them. They're definitely not bad. I'm surprised, guys. I am so surprised. Wow, I'm getting excited. And they are comfortable. These are comfortable. Wow. These will stay in my wardrobe. It's the last item in this package. This is a pair of pants. These white pants, which I'm not really sure why I ordered. But this is the thing with ordering online. You're just like in the mood. You buy whatever is in your mood at that very moment. Why I ordered these? Like, has anyone ever seen me out wearing these kind of pants? I'm not really sure. I can't say anything bad about the pants. Just not really my style, and I can't figure out like would I ever really go out. No, let's be honest now. I think someone would really like these pants because they are not badly made, but it's just not my style. Okay, moving on to the next package. Whoa, what is this? Oh, it's a blouse. That's kind of pretty. I mean, it needs ironing. All right, here is the blouse. You know, this blouse is quite nicely made. It has double layered fabric, so that's a real big plus. I like this top. Woo. Next, the only good thing with the packages coming for 3 weeks is sometimes you forget what you really ordered. So it's a little Christmas moment here. Oh, it's a dress. All right, I'm feeling it. Just please don't be see-through. Alright guys, this is this dress on, and let me tell you, I love it. Look at that, it has something different. It's normal quality, the quality that you quite of expect for this kind of money. Let's be honest, it's a bit even better than I expected. It has some style, you know, the bag, really nice. With this kind of dress, you could actually make an Instagram-worthy outfit. Wow, okay, this is my favorite so far. And sorry because of my messy bun, I literally don't know how to make messy buns. Once I made a live on my Instagram account, by the way, go follow me at Anita Sibul. And I wanted to make a bun there, and I literally messed it up like 3 times in a row. I was like, okay people, just like teach me. I literally don't know how to make a bun, so I'm sorry. Hashtag the biggest beauty guru in the world. I mean, liking and loving fashion and beauty doesn't mean you have to be good at everything. That's my excuse. Let's go on with the next item. Let's hope for the best. Again, like what is this ribbon? It's just like, okay, and this dress looks very cheap. My expectations are literally going from the lowest to the highest. Like, this was better than my expectations. This is the worst expectations you can literally have. At least it has adjustable straps. A big bonus, to be honest. I don't know what to say. Maybe this is the example of the dress you should get for this kind of money. You could actually wear this out and not be that embarrassed. There's like nothing weird about this dress, you know? 2.5 out of 5, so just literally in the middle. Next up, again, what is this? Excuse me, why aren't the things with like random ribbons? Alright, we have a long dress like that. Oh, it's not oh my god, it's not dress! I don't remember this piece at all. Christmas moment. And the material is not bad. Alright, here we have it on. That's some fashion piece. Wow, I love this. And can you see my panties? I'm not sure. I don't see my panties. Love this piece. This video is just literally, just look back at the video. It's literally like the best item to worst item, the best to worst, the best to worst. It's literally hit or miss. And if you hit really well, and if you miss, you get the worst. And look at this beautiful pattern. This material is very soft. The only thing is that they are quite short, but I think with a pair of heels they will work out. Let me try. Designer pair of heels, TKNY. If you haven't seen this haul, my designer haul, I'll leave it in the info button. With these heels, it looks very normal. This is a look. Oh my god, I am loving it. I can't wait to go out. Oh, this one I know. It is again a long dress. I was scared because the prints on the fabric sometimes are really like foggy and low quality. This seems to be one of them. Ah, again a ribbon. Wow, what a surprise. Here is the dress. It's not that bad. I mean, this one is definitely better, but it's not the worst. Getting in the dress is a bit of a hustle because it doesn't have any zippers. Okay, let's put the ribbon on as well, so it's a complete look. Although I think Yeah, I like it so much more without the ribbon. Is it just me or it really makes me look a bit pregnant? I am going to the gym, alright? So it's not my belly. Do only I see this kind of effect, or do I really look fatter in this dress? Just please comment down below. Now I'm getting nervous. Like, if I go out in this dress, do I look fat? Please let me know. And here is the bottom part. The only... Oh, did you see that? This is the widest you can go. Alright, it doesn't have any slits, but it's alright. I mean, actually, when you're walking, you don't feel it. Next up, another pair of shoes. They looked very fancy on the website, let me tell you that. But this is what they look like in person. They look very cheap. They looked very expensive on the website though. I mean, the crystals, even I can do that, but just the fact that they put this like cheap gold material, I don't like that. And these are in size 37, but they are a bit too small for me. If you actually want this, go a size up. Here we have very expensive sandals. See, they are just slightly too small for me. Okay, I see the bikinis are here. I don't want to open yet because we have one item before the bikinis. It is another dress. It is a bit grandma-like, but I guess this is why I wanted it, because, you know, lately I've been trying to be more classy, but like for real, on a serious note. I've been finding myself loving more the classier side of clothes, and now the moment that I've been waiting for the most. I didn't know it's literally the last item in both of these packages. I just opened them randomly, but Meshki knockoff bikinis. And I've been looking at the Meshki bikinis on their website so many times. I really want them. Let's see how similar they actually are. Alright guys, the bikinis are on and you can't believe. Oh my god, these look amazing. I don't have original Meshki bikinis, so of course the quality of the original ones is better. For a knockoff, these are really cute. Let's say I didn't know what Meshki bikini was, I just ordered it from Fairyseason. I would be so extremely happy because it looks very unique. One of my favorite items I bought. Oh my god, I love it. I got 12 items. Okay, and I just counted out of all these 12 items, 7 items I really liked and I will wear out. Then the 8th item is this long dress, which I'm not sure. This is about you. You have to make the decision for me. And then 4 items are the ones that I didn't like, or for example these pants. No, they're just not my style. So yeah, here is the percentage. And with this kind of note, I'm gonna end this video. I really hope that you liked it. It was definitely an experience for me to order from a totally random website that I'm seeing for the first time and just making a big order like that. And I didn't search for any reviews on the internet. I was just like, okay, we have the things here. They are mostly using the pictures that are not theirs, but I'm still gonna make a big order and let's see what it is. So if you want to see more videos of my channel, please hit the bell and subscribe, and if you want, you can also like this video. And for all the outfit pictures, fashion pictures, travel pictures, please go to my Instagram at Anita Sibul. I'm posting a lot and quality content. I really hope that you go and check it out, and I'll see you all in my next video. Mwah! Bye bye.